Good morning, 819S. It's a nice day today. Looks like it's going to rain tonight. The weather forecast is calling for rain tomorrow, so hopefully it doesn't, but I guess we'll see. Today I want to talk about autonomous buses. Japan predicts a lot of different problems for the future, and most of these problems come from the fact that there's an aging population and a declining population. So the number of elderly people is increasing, and the number of new births is decreasing. Therefore, the average age of people is definitely going up. And with a declining population, that means that there aren't enough people to perform different tasks, different labor. One of those jobs is driver. Japan has noticed that there's going to be a driver problem for a few years now, and to counter that problem, they're trying to introduce buses that are fully autonomous or level 4 autonomous. There's a few places in Japan now that currently run level 4 autonomous buses for the community, for local areas. I believe they're approved with very strict regulations about routes and capabilities. And now Aichi Prefecture is trying to run a level 4 autonomous bus on the highway for the first time. They've done some testing. Last year they did level 2 testing with a driver sitting in the seat that could perform tasks if needed, and they gathered the data that they needed. It looks like they're going to make some improvements to the system they have now and then roll it out again and then ask the prefecture for a permit to allow level 4 driving on the highway. I really think it's an interesting idea, because if there aren't enough people to drive and the vehicles have a kind of pre-programmed route and they don't really deviate from it, it should be kind of safe. It's quite different from like a Waymo where it's just driving anywhere. So I think that's a step in the right direction for community services, but I still think that Japan needs to fix the birth issue. But that's a whole nother topic in and of itself. Alright, as usual, the article's down in the description. You can check it out if you're interested. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Get out there and ride, and always ride safe.